This is the first in a series of videos about features of my G.A.H.T greenhouse. Specifically, in this video, I will be talking about 7 ways that I keep my greenhouse cool. But not all of these techniques are exclusive to the design of my G.A.H.T greenhouse. In fact, points 3, 4, and 7 will work with just about any greenhouse design. If you have a greenhouse, you know that solar energy can be kind of a double-edged sword. In fact, during the hottest part of the year, the word greenhouse for many people can just mean oven. However, in my greenhouse, my hottest ever recorded temperature was 95 degrees, and that was on a 94-degree day. And I might add that it was only over 90 degrees total for about 3 hours that day. So how am I able to keep my greenhouse so cool? Well, the first 2 of the 7 are something you've probably already guessed if you've watched any of my other videos, and that is the G.A.H.T, the ground air heat transfer system. First, the G.A.H.T fan is pulling hot air out of the top of the greenhouse, and not just removing it, it's cooling it 6 feet below the ground. Second, that cooled air is returned to the greenhouse, helping to lower the overall ambient temperature. In addition to the G.A.H.T system, I have a fresh air intake fan, an attic fan that's venting the hot air, and both the attic and the fresh air fan are on thermostats. I can also replace the windows with screens that have 1/2-inch hardware cloth because you don't want a cabbage butterfly getting in your greenhouse. The next 3 ways have to do with the location, shape, and position of the greenhouse. My greenhouse is located where it gets shade from deciduous trees in the morning and later in the afternoon when it's hottest. Shade from trees that lose their leaves means it keeps cooler longer. My greenhouse has a wood shingle roof. What? I have a wood shingled roof on a greenhouse? It's designed to reject the angle of the high summer sun. In fact, at the peak of summer, the sun doesn't even reach the back wall of my greenhouse. Lastly, the position or orientation of the greenhouse. The structure is pointed south-southeast by about 15 degrees. This means that in the hottest part of the day, the building is turned away from the sun. So there you have it, 7 ways that I keep my greenhouse cool. If you learned anything, or if you just like the video in general, please subscribe. It means a lot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below, and thank you. If you like this video, you might like these.